Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Billy Josie, aka the New Generation Marketer, here in Jacksonville, Florida. How are y'all doing today? Listen, I got a really great video for you. Something that's going to be happening in the end of September. So if you're watching this video now, or whenever you're watching this video, if it's in the month of September of 2021, you're going to enjoy this. So I do want to say that if this is your first time on my YouTube channel, first of all, welcome. I'm glad to have you here. Also, if you do like anything about affiliate marketing, if you like online marketing, or if you're a home business entrepreneur and want to learn how to grow your business from mindset, from different marketing, from different tools and different tips, then you've come to the right channel. So I do want to say that if you like what you hear, if you've watched some of my videos, if it's been helpful to you, I would love to have you as a subscriber. So if you can click that little subscribe bear to be notified of any new videos that I do put out. Also, share this information if you just find some value with it. And of course, I would love to hear your comments as well. So I want to tell you about this new affiliate marketing bootcamp that the guys over at MLSP are putting on. Man, this is good. This is really good. So I'm here at the page for this new affiliate marketing bootcamp that the guys over at MLSP are having. So I'm going to get into the gist of that. So I'm probably going to be not looking at you guys in the camera and looking at my screen, but I want to make sure I go over all this for you. I'm going to keep this as short as possible, but I do want to kind of go over this with you. As always, I will leave a link in the description, so you can go ahead and review actually after I'm reviewing. So, as you can see on the screen here, of course, it's a new affiliate marketing boot camp to make more money in your home-based business. So it's going to be a live 8-week boot camp to help you make money fast, promoting any product, any service, or opportunity, even if you're brand new. I like that. Brand new stuff, man. It's woo. All right, so if we scroll down here and we look and see what we have here, let's see here. So this is the problem. Chances are you're experiencing one or all the following. You're spending countless hours in Facebook Messenger talking to people that are tire kickers and that are unmotivated. You've made your list of 100 friends and family. Nobody bought. I've been there before. And you're being told to keep harassing them. Social media is draining your soul because there's zero leverage and you're not getting sales. I've been there before too on that one. You have no authority yet because you don't have the results yet. So nobody wants to buy or join your team. The last thing is that you've asked yourself a million times, why am I not getting the results that I want in my business? I've been there too. So I love this, that MLSP is putting on this and they're giving you a solution to that problem. So with this 8-week affiliate marketing bootcamp, this is what your business could look like. You can gain influence, close sales, start making money, even if you have no results. You can go from 1 to 3 customers a month to 3 to 7 plus customers in 60 minutes every single week. You can ignite your prospect and email list by 100 plus quality people every week without paid ads. I like some paid ads, but you can do it without paid ads. And you can authentically position you as an authority to close more sales, even if you're brand new. And yes, you can stand out from the 100,000 plus reps in your company to 10x your income in 8 weeks. So this boot camp is again going to be an 8-week boot camp to show you how to do exactly that. A marketing boot camp to help you grow your list, help you turn those leads into buyers, help you really get the results that you really want to get in your business. So I'm going to go over who you're going to be seeing in this 8-week boot camp. So these 8 folks here, entrepreneurs, and you probably know their names. That's going to be Miss Diane Hockman, who has earned over $1.4 million in commissions from one affiliate program. Mr. Stephen Rachel, who's earned over $173,000 in commissions from one affiliate program. Miss Lisa Torres, who has earned over $458,000 in affiliate commissions from one affiliate program. My good friend Mark Harbert, who has earned over $400,000 in commissions. Miss Stacy Hall, who's earned over $176,000 commissions. My good friend Miss Erin Birch, who's earned over $200,000. One of my really good friends, Mr. Sean Johnson, who has earned over $139,000, and Todd and Leah Ray Getz, who have earned over $500,000. So basically, how it's going to work is that each week you're going to hear from each of these affiliate marketers, home biz entrepreneurs, sharing you the goods on how you can get some really good results in your own business. So again, like I said, if you aren't making enough money, you're going to find everything you need to find on here to get you into production mode. Now, I do want to make a quick disclaimer here that even though you see these earnings, these commissions, can't really say that I can't guarantee that you'll make money. So there's no guarantees, even though you see this, but what I can guarantee is that you will learn the skills, you will learn the tactics, you will learn from each of these 8 people what you need to do to be able to get to that income. So I'm going to say this actually is a plus for me. I highly suggest being here. Listen, I'm going to be here. So this is going to start on Thursday, September 30th. So if you're watching this YouTube video after September 30th, I don't know if this will be live or not. I would say you can check the link at the bottom in the description. If the link is live there, check it out. Also, the cost of this, most people say, what is the cost? Well, first of all, let's do this. What you'll get. So what you're going to get is the secret formula that they use in every single opportunity or affiliate program they join to climb to the top of the leaderboards virtually overnight, close sales, and create some serious cash. So Bootcamp is here. A lot of great things you'll get. Also, I want to tell you that you would think that this program or this bootcamp could be hundreds of dollars. No, y'all. Live 8-week bootcamp is only $49.97. That's for 8 weeks. And that's like, what, $8? $8 a week or something like that. It's very, very inexpensive. Also, not only do you get the boot camp, you get 30 days of MLSP showing you how to market your business as a home biz entrepreneur. You're going to get some live coaching for 30 days to help you grow your business. And that's included in the 8-week boot camp. 30 days coaching. Here's the schedule. But guys, that's it. This is the special price right here. $49.97. You get a 97% discount. The total value is $3,579. And yeah, that's basically it, guys. I want to tell you about this 8-week boot camp. As always, I will leave a link in the bottom to check this out. I highly recommend that you get on this 8-week affiliate marketing boot camp. Listen, the time of this boot camp is going to be 8 weeks, right? End of the year. We're coming to the end of the year. September 30th is when this starts. So September, October, November. This is going to give you the momentum that you need for your business to go into 2022, earning income, growing your business, and it's going to allow you to start January, hit the ground running. So, guys, that's it. That's my quick video. I think I was rambling a little bit. I hope I wasn't, but I hope you got the gist of it. Like I said, I will leave a link at the bottom so you can check it out yourself. But that's why you guys are here. That's why you're here watching this video, because you want to learn how you can grow your home-based business, your affiliate marketing business, how you can make money online. Then take advantage of this $50 boot camp, which is a no-brainer. Guys, that's Billy Josie here in New Jacksonville, Florida. I want to say thank you for watching my video. Again, subscribe, give me some likes, give me some shares, and let me hear your comments. Let me know how I did. Let me know what you think. And let me know if you're going to go ahead and join me on September 30th for this 8-week affiliate marketing bootcamp. I will be there because I want to learn all that I can so that I can, in 2022, and towards the end of the year, beginning of the year, hit some other goals that I have in my own business. So this is Billy Josie, aka the New Generation Marketer. I will see you guys on the next video. And again, thanks for watching. God bless.